John and Rhonda Olinger. Met Tim McBrayer at open house, and we looked around a lot before we moved up to Raleigh, and shopping for real estate agents and shopping for neighborhoods. And we were impressed with Tim, and he helped us a lot, and patient with us while we were trying to find where we wanted to live, and a builder and a real estate company, and really appreciated all the help that he gave us. Went above and beyond of what we were expecting.
Very organized, always got back to you with emails, very prompt, great real estate group to work for, and Tim, we would highly recommend him.
Well, thank you very much. It was a pleasure. It was a pleasure. And now you can't wait to get on that rotting lawnmower.
That's right. got enough property now to actually cut the grass.
Well, I know you're going to love this beautiful home by Grayson Homes for many years to come.
We are.
Thank you again.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you.
All right.